What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on, everybody? Give me a second. I just fucking hopped on. I can get everything set up and shit. We got in here Paul, Jaime. What's up, y'all? We got 14 people in here. The fuck is up, man? It's another beautiful day. I got a big day today. It's another day of winning, another day of feeling risky, and another day of doing what I do fucking best, bro. Giving value. What's up, broski? What's up, G? Let's get it. Good day today. What's up? What's up? Paul, what's up? Chris, what's up? What's going on? Y'all can hear me, right? Put a one in the chat if you guys can hear me. Check 1, 2. What's up, Swolaz? What up, G? I'm getting back to it, bro. Let me see what I am right now. I'm 225, bro. I'm 6'2", 6'3", 225. Going back down to 210. 1-1. All right, cool. All right, cool. What's up, y'all? Anybody there for the gambling stream fucking yesterday? I mean, I'm pretty much just destroying the market, so I think Power Hour is going to have to start to be a thing. But who was there? Who was there yesterday? Who was there the last 2 days? It's a whole ass vibe. I'm just sending this link to the group and shit, y'all, and then we'll get started with breakdowns and such. I haven't missed a day. Definitely made moves, sir. Sheesh. I got there real late. Yeah, bro. So we're either, and y'all could go back. It's on Lucas' channel, so it'll be on my channel next week, at least for myself. But it's on Lucas' channel. I think it's either 8 or 9 trades called. 7 of them hit. A lot of back, and when I say 7, a couple of them B's and shit too. So much fucking fun, bro. Just, 1 minute, 5 minute time frame scalping, lower risk, and doing the damn thing. And the more compounding I build up from it, then we just have more profit to play with the next day. So we'll see where it goes. For all my gamblers out there, you know what time it is. But for this session, for New York session, AM session, we're not fucking gambling here, bro. We're using our edge and making smart investments at full risk. What's your best video you recommend for someone day one starting? Let's break it down, Mike. Are we talking day one, you don't know what you're looking at right now as far as a candlestick chart? Are we talking day one, you just don't have a strategy to implement on these charts? Because I would probably say the best person to learn from, in my opinion, would be this guy right here. One of the smartest people in the game, for sure. I sent my friend your free link to start learning. Yup, for sure, brother. Go into videos or First of all, you can go into my playlist and look at daily vlogs. A lot of just like day-to-day action. But if you want to specifically know exactly how I trade, you can come down to this video here, bro. This is exactly how I'm trading in 2023. 2025. There's that video. Check that out, and fucking if you have any questions beyond that, that just means you're a bit newer than this level yet. And I mean, it just takes time, bro. You can go to, if you want the most basic knowledge as far as what a candlestick and such is, the only way I offer that basic of a level of training is in my mentorship. But when you follow along for a couple days, you should be able to start to catch along as to what we got going on here, my brother. But start there. I I mean, as far as live streams go and videos, I mean, I have hundreds and hundreds, and I have 277 videos. You know, I have even the last couple of days of lives every day. I was creating videos almost every fucking day, which I'm getting back to once I'm done with vacation and shit. But it's all there, my brother. What's up? Welcome. How many people we got? We got 20 people. Make sure you guys. I think I need another monitor so I can track the likes. I bet if Luke is watching this right now, he's cracking up because this motherfucker does this all off of one monitor. I'm like, man, I need at least 4 of them, bro. For sure. Yo, what's up, Angel's Eye? But yeah, anyway, let's get into it. I haven't checked out any charts yet myself. So going into my baby, the number one stunner of the lineup, US30, same shit, bro. Just like we were speaking about at the beginning of the week and on Monday, you can just say Angel. Angel. I'm going to start calling you Angel, bro. Man, I got to watch the lives from my phone. It's all good, G. Just go get you a fucking iPad or something. Ever since we've been trading above this 41,800 level, I really do expect price to just continue to recover this nasty-ass drop that we've had over the past couple weeks. Okay, once we get back up to this area, this 43,300 level, then from that point, I'll kind of assess what happens. As you know, once we get up to these major ass areas of support and resistance, we're always going to have some type of sideways movement as price decides. Are we going to push beyond it, or are we going to reject from it pretty heavy? And obviously the past predicts the future. So until we get up to that point, I mean, I'm open for sells if I start to see any type of lower time frame bearish structure forming, but pretty much, and as we have been doing for the most part, when session opens up, I'm looking to get into buys, bro, by all means. So pretty much we got 20 minutes until session open here. I want price to come down and give me some type of fucking valid resistance, because we just broke out of this resistance here, and I'm just going to continue on with these buys up. So not too much confluence today. Literally just like yesterday, we're just continuing to push higher without really giving much structure, to be honest. But yeah, I'll get you guys in these buys, bro. Let's fucking get it. Appreciate that. Going now to watch that and be back. Yeah, for sure, bro. You got time, my man. Going into NAS, same exact thing pretty much. Let me put these side by side so you guys can see before I blow this all up. All right, so we got US30 on the left-hand side. We got NAS on the right-hand side, okay? So same shit I always say. Like when we're going to 4-hour time frame, I'm asking myself 2 questions. Where is price currently going to, and what trend are we currently in? And we're obviously in a bullish trend, and price is reacting off of this 4-hour support, probably going up to this next 4-hour resistance before I start to reassess where I think price is going to go. And so when I go to lower time frames and we start to mark out areas that are holding on lower time frames, that kind of helps guide us up in to this level that we expect price to go to, but that's all it really is. We still have a bias as to where we think price is going to go. And it's the same shit. US30 on left, NAS on the right. We have 2 4-hour support and resistance areas to kind of give us our bigger range. And now we finally form some type of hourly resistance here on US30 and NAS, and we're starting to push beyond it. So just giving extra confirmation. Bulls are really in charge of this market, bro. We just need to continue to buy the market up. It's not our job to decide where the market's going to go, but just to hop on with where it's already fucking going. You dig? And so in once session opens, I caught a little bullish trade this morning on US30. Where at, bro? Based off of what? What was your entry? Yeah, and so when market opens up, we're about to do the same shit. We got a little bit of time here to kick it. I have to go do a podcast today with the boy Luca No Limit. So I got to go pick this guy up from his fucking hotel. I got to go get a haircut. Then we're going to hop on Power Hour with you guys. It'll be here in Zen Lab at like fucking 1:30, 2 o'clock. And then we got something special for y'all. It's on the student trade on mentorship. Okay, cool, bro. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Nice. Yeah, so make sure you guys show up to, if you can't be here for this whole session, or you can be here for both of them, hop on the Power Hour, man. It's more so a dynamic of, again, just full fucking risk here during session open. And then during Power Hour, if you haven't tuned in yet, just go. Make sure you guys tune in today. That's all I'm going to say. Tons of fucking fun. Can't wait for those afternoon sets. They're fun as fuck. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. For sure, for sure. I just know we've been killing it, so y'all better not start, what we risk here using our actual edge with and I'm not throwing out no bullshit during the afternoon, like we're double risk during power hour. That's all it is, bro. I ain't throwing out no bullshit. But I'm open to take 1 to 2 confluence trades versus 4 to 5 confluence trades during AM session. We'll put it that way. Double risk. It's crazy, yeah. Who lives? Does anybody? How many? We got 31 people, so maybe not. But does anybody here live in Arizona? We're coming out there in a couple days. We're coming out there tomorrow. Not in a couple days. I'm coming out there tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, till Monday. God, I keep forgetting that shit. I made $100 account on the new broker for sure, bro. Yeah, max leverage the whole $100 during power hour today for sure. Don't leave anything on the table. All right, as far as NAS goes on left-hand side, what I'm looking at, we're still sitting in this London range, which is fucking nice. Here, I really want to see some type of push beyond London highs. As you guys know, I don't take the immediate breakout above London highs, just because all the seller stop losses are sitting up here, and so a lot of times you get a massive jolt right back in the range right afterwards. So if we can fucking get that to happen now and then get some type of newfound resistance, we'll go ahead and take these buys above these highs here. Bread and butter setup, you know what time it is. But outside of that, sell-off, we have a ton of support sitting down here. One here, one right next to itself, then all the way sitting down here. I don't really take a breakout area unless I at least have a 1-to-1 before going to the next range, just because simply I don't want to get caught up in the range. I'd rather just give myself extra confirmation and sacrifice a bit of a worse entry for the most part. And so I would take this further zone sitting down here, but it's just too close to London lows, bro. That's why I enjoy when price is squeezing like this and we haven't broke out of previous session highs or lows, but not when there's just so many areas where price could fake out before pushing the most levels. So we'll kind of see. I'm kind of favorable of US30 just to continue to hop onto this trade, but same shit, bro. Give me some fucking structure to play off of. But the 130 spreads is high. What do you mean 130 spreads? What do you mean 130 spreads, bro? Because my spreads right now are, for the pairs I trade, 1 pip, 2 pips. I think on my broker is smaller. Oh, this is going to be kind of tough. This is at the spreads right now. They're hella good spreads. Even with no commission account, they're good spreads. I think on my broker is. Oh, you're using a different broker. I thought you were saying with Gates FX. Yeah, and remember sometimes spreads are just a bit higher outside of periods of volume, which they should not be right now. Your spreads should be fucking good, but usually right when we start to get towards session open, spreads tighten up. There's a lot more liquidity in the market. Calm before the storm, brother. So that's with the new spread. That's with the raw spreads. I mean, no commission is fine too, bro. It's still within 2 pips always. During session. I can't speak for outside of session. We live. Cool. Who just sent that? Was that you, Christy? Share link, please. Appreciate y'all. Thank you. Thank you. I'm doing the same shit on YouTube right now, or on Instagram. Live now, come on in. You know, it's kind of crazy, man. You just get into the habit of shit. You know, when I used to go live, the shit was just verbatim to hit, but I just forget, you know? Just come on in. It's been like a year. All right, so we have to win today. We have to win today. I'm going on vacation. I need money for vacation. I can't have a good vacation unless we win. So we have to win today. It's the last day. Yo, what's up, Emma? Just got off of work. What's up, G? How you doing, bro? We're fucking plotting over here. We got 10 minutes until the session. We want to buy NAS and US30, just waiting for the hit. We win every day, brother. We win every day, brother. If we don't win during AM, we win during PM. If we don't win during PM, we win during AM. And if we don't win during AM or PM, then we just have to gamble it after AM and PM so we can still make it all back. We win every day. Gen Z, what's up, fam? We win every fucking day. Today's no different. I'm going on a sort of vacation, leaving tonight. Need to gamble to make some money for the trip. Okay, so we got 2 gamblers in the chat. Let's fucking get it, yo. How much money do you need to make to have a good vacation? Me? How much money do I need to make today to have a good vacation would be, 4K. 4K. 6K is the goal for the day. 4K for the session. Regardless, we win. It's about to be a model, bro. Regardless, we win. Probably about the same. All right, cool. It's probably not true. I probably don't need any Ks because everything is already booked. But 4K. W Strick. You still trading Apex accounts? Nah, brother. I can't thrive in trailing drawdown environments. I'm not good enough for that. Yeah, no way. I hold the higher TP, so price coming all the way up to a 1 to 3 and then coming back all the way down to break even. And then that counting against me is just, I'm not good enough for that shit. Although Singapore is expensive. Indonesia will be lit with the rest. Yeah, our trip is a little expensive, but like we got a really nice place. We fucking I'm going snowboarding, you know, so you have to like rent all the equipment and shit. I'm not bringing my equipment. We got a rental car and shit, but that's it. Like I'm not going nowhere. I'm about to be on the mountain all day long. Like I'm down to burn, you know, till my legs are fucking burning. I just go up over and over and over and over and over again. My girl, she'll hop on like 3-4 times and then she'll be done. But you know, I don't get to do that shit. I only get to do it once or twice a year. I gotta go to crazy. I'm trying to break my record of $684. That was the highest I've ever made on a trade. Working hard to hit my first 1K day. Yeah, bro. So you got to risk 220, 246. You got to risk $230, bro. Is what you would have to do. I'm in it for the $20 2-hour massages. For sure. from yeah, and you get them from all types out there for sure. No, I'm in it for the pain. I like to go vacation and feel adrenaline, you know. For a guy who named his group Zen Lab, I'm really adrenaline lab for sure, bro. If any of us ever do a meetup, like I'm trying to go on jet skis and ATVs, I'm not trying to fucking hang out at dinner, you know? I crave that shit. I've always craved that shit. My most favorite thing to do is like, I don't know, like activity. Operating something, I think. You know, operating a boat, jet ski, car, this motherfucking stream. Price is starting to push lower here on US30, which is cool. I mean, if we start to liquidate London lows, then it'll give us a nice little setup. I'm gonna be a little hesitant trying to take any sell-offs if the area is down here, though. You know, we'll just have to see. As we always talk about, past predicts the future. We're obviously extremely bullish still, so it's just kind of a tough area. Ugly ass range right now. But solid for us here. You see what's happening. We're finally getting some type of structure forming on US30, so we know what to do from this point. Going all the way from 42,700, pretty much, we have no structure in our way from price continuing higher, bro. It's just as you guys know, we use a set stop loss instead of a structure based stop loss, and so we have to get the most optimal entry that we can get here. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put NAS on the left. I'm just used to US30 on the right, so I'm gonna put NAS on the left and then US30 on the right. Boom. Let's do it like that. This would be another trade number one for the day. I would honestly be really fucking confident about this if we can hold at this trend line here. Just kind of showing that price does want to continue bullish. Holding at this higher low, holding at this trend line, and then getting that break using volume should be a pretty fucking quick trade. But we'll kind of see within this next 5 minutes what's going on. Volume is kind of fat, so I'm probably just gonna open us up to a 50 point. We'll see. We'll see. We're coming back down to retest these London highs. Pretty much this area here. Really want this structure to hold so we can kind of confirm these buys. Let me mark out all these signals and shit. Y'all gotta give me a second. Jen, what are you going out there for in Singapore? All right, just chilling? Sheesh, we got 44 people in here. Make sure you guys like the stream. God damn, bro, I swear they come here like every fucking day. Holy shit, make sure you guys like the stream. We got 44 people in this bitch. If you guys get up to, I don't know what my likes are, so let me give you guys a goal for a giveaway. I haven't even been paying attention to how many likes we get, but I want a certain amount of likes. And you got only a little bit of time to do it. So I already see people putting in work trying to share the fucking link, but you got to work for it, man. You guys want some money out of me? Outside of me already giving you free money with these trades, you got to work for it. But let's do that shit after session. We got 3 minutes until session open. It looks like you guys are around like 30 to 40 likes, usually. And we're sitting at 22 right now. All right, we'll monitor it. But yeah, all right. So as far as NAS goes, just trying to see what is happening at the support we're currently forming. Is this trend line in support going to hold, or are we just going to start to continue lower? If so, like if we get some type of base to form here, and then we get a re-break of lows, that at that point I'm good to go ahead and take a sell off. We just get a bit of extra confirmation instead of just selling at the first support when we're in an extremely bullish market. And then coming over here to NAS, I mean, we're just kind of fucking melting off. We've already broke below London lows, and so this is kind of a bread and butter setup for myself. My students know obviously what that setup is. Again, not the biggest fucking fan of trading right into this hourly support, but I'm kind of open to risk it for the biscuit here. Just as soon as we hit that 25 points, going ahead and put stops to break even. So let's go ahead and focus up. We got 1 minute till session. Whoa. And then 225. Sheesh. How am I sore up in that corner? Whoa. Yeah, look at that trend line and support holding right there. It's fucking, it's clean. It's very, very clean. All right, Joe. Session's open. NAS is about to pop here quick, so get ready. I'm down to give it a go. I'll let you know as soon as I get in. Oh, it's about to be US30 first. Yeah, I'd rather take these buys than the sell-off, so let's go ahead and focus up on US30. I'd rather be trading with trend here, and if it doesn't play out for me, we'll kind of reassess afterwards, but let's focus up on US30 on the right-hand screen. What about US30? Cruising, bro. No bottom wick at all. Just sending it. It's crazy. We'll give it a shot. I'm eyeing both of them, so y'all just got to be ready here. All right, let's get it. If this ends up faking us out here, I will take sales below that support, but we'll just have to let it breathe for a second. So let's see. 695, 745. And then 42645. Oh shit, I accidentally sent. Didn't mean to sell NAS. Didn't mean to send NAS for anybody in my Signal group. Oh my God. Price is flying. I'm up a little 700 pack right now. I must have had a little lower risk than I intended. We should be up kind of nasty. Let's go. Yeah, let's get it. As soon as we get up to this 50 points in profit, stops to break even right the fuck away, and then we're a risk-free trade. As far as these NAS sells, bro, I really do want to give them a shot. Inverse correlation on NAS and US30 doesn't scare me at all. Happens all the time. We just got to be kind of sharp here, yeah. All right, let's get it. All right, US30 buys and NAS shorts. I'm in both of them. This is fucking disgusting. And I'm a bit nervous about NAS. As soon as we hit those 50 points, make sure you guys put stops to break even. But watch both of these play out, even with inverse correlation, and see what we got going on here. Man, don't play with me, US30. Is NAS 100 mini same as nah, bro? It's mini, so it's a tenth of regular NQ or NAS, whatever market you're trading. US30 starting to reverse here on us, and NAS is still pushing. Could you imagine both of these fucking things take me out at the same time? I'd lose my mind. Don't disrespect me like this, bro. We still got about 20 seconds till that first minute closer. Not liking that closure on US30 if we start to break below these highs, you know? It's just going to start to make me feel like there's no need to lose fucking 2 trades back to back, but we holding tough here, bro. It is what it is. They're both are way too close to entry for me to cut anything and have any type of assessment about it. It just is what it is. What's up? What are you guys in? You in both of them? You in one of them? I'm a little, again, still nervous about, we just grab these lows on NAS, something vicious. I'm not really nervous about US30, to be honest. Emmett, what broker you use? Go in the link in the description, brother. I use Gates FX, which is on MT5, and not platform MT5. It's on my fucking app, on my phone, MT5. They're regulated. They have really good spreads. They have no commission accounts. And I'm about to get out of NAS here. God damn it. I'll let you guys know when I get out. US30 TP is about to hit here. Let's go ahead and remove ourselves from NAS. It is what it is. I'm about to mark out these TPs for US30 real quick, so give me a second. For those of you guys who are nervous to hold to higher TPs, go ahead and pull your B day out now on fucking US30. TP1 was hit. I'm still holding, man. I want to see where this goes. So let's get it. Let's see what happens. At this point, we can go ahead and pretty much put stops to break even. Hopefully it doesn't come back to tap us, and let's see where this fucking thing can go. Man, I swear if NAS tanks now, bro, I won't be in it, but I'll be pretty hurt about it, man. Dub, 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 dub. Yeah, who's up on US30? Let me get some dubs in the chat, y'all. We're not done here. I still think price can continue to push up. We're just bullish as fuck on US30. I mean, anything could happen, but I'm at the 55. I'm at the 55 from some of y'all watching me yesterday. Finally hit the 5.5, G. Makes me want to pull it out and wait till afternoon session. No, we holding tough here, man. I want 3K on this trade, so we have one more K to go. Up almost $300. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm at a psychology block with this 55. I've came up to it twice and then I hit it and then it comes back and reverses. I just want the 55. Tag me in your story, bro. As a matter of fact, nothing, bro. I want at least closer to TB2. I'm not about to start being a one-to-one trader because we're gambling in the afternoon session. Move stop loss to be, yeah, for sure. Everybody make sure you put your stop loss to be on US30. Worst case that could happen is we'll just be down on NAS for the day. Back up to 55. Come on, bro. You know what? I'm closing most here. I'm being soft. I want my 55, bro. I'm closing most here. I'm being soft. I want my 55, bro. I got a little 0.10 in, so we're leaving 600 floating. I'm getting out. Yeah, I'm being sauce. I want my 55, bro. Give me my 55, bro. Give me my 55, bro. Almost at 55-1. All right, y'all, I'm getting out. Let's fucking go, baby. W's in the chat, y'all. TB2 just got hit. TP1 and TP2 smash on US30. WWWWW, come on, bro. Price is fucking sending it. Jesus Christ. Now I could be done with this 55K psychological block bullshit, bro. I'm over it. Moving on, new beginnings. Goal is 57 before we get to the end of afternoon session, and then we hit our motherfucking goal. If it wasn't for NAS, we would have came close to hitting our goal. Yeah, let's go, baby. Dubs in the chat, who made money with me today? I'm about to see how many likes we got. Dubs in the chat if you made money with the fucking boy. As always, make sure you guys tag me on Instagram. I love to see your profits. It's exciting for me to see you guys actually making money instead of just watching me fucking make money, you know? So appreciate it. We got 60 people in here for showing up today. Yes, well done. Clap it up for you guys. Every day we win. We put it into the air at the beginning of the stream. We said we were going to win because we always fucking win. And the worst case that could happen if we didn't win is we were just going to win. It is what it is, baby. I'm in the gym right now getting a pump for your profits. Let's get it. L for NAS, but W for US30. L's for love, brother. L's for love, brother. We still got love for NAS. It's all good. W bigger than loss, yeah. I mean, just risking more on US30 and NAS is what it really is. Not on purpose, by the way. I really do risk the same amount per trade for the most part. Sheesh. Yeah, man. All right, y'all. I'm getting out of here. Like I said, about to go pick up Luca No Limit. Make sure you guys stay tuned for afternoon session. It's going to be on Luca's page. So it's at luca.nolimit. Let me actually just put up this link real quick. As you guys know, I don't go live every single day. So every other day I'm going live. If you want to see exactly what I'm doing as far as my trades every single day, taking exactly what I'm taking, you have to join my group. It's less than $2 a day. The link is in the bio, obviously, of this live. But this is my boy. This is where we're going to be live. So make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. And I will be back to make more money for all of you as fucking usual here very soon, yo, in a couple hours. All right? Here's the link. Yeah. Yeah, fire, gems, as fucking always. Let's go. Belsco, you late, big dog, but I'll see you in a couple hours, bro. Everybody take care. I'm out. Goodbye.